Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Smorgasbord Kitchen. Today's recipe is Parmesan herb scones. We'll start by stirring together 2 tablespoons each of dried minced onions and water, then setting them aside to rehydrate. Into a large bowl, we'll add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1½ teaspoons of Italian seasoning, and a half cup of Parmesan cheese. We'll whisk this all together thoroughly. Into the dry ingredients, we'll add a whisked egg, the rehydrated onions, and 3/4 of a cup of water. A 1/4 cup of olive oil. We'll mix this just until combined, and no dry or wet patches remain. Next, we'll line a baking sheet with parchment paper, onto which we'll form the dough into a roughly 10-inch disc. We'll cut this into 8 even wedges, and then we'll bake the scones in a 450-degree oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the tops are a golden color. Once we've let the scones cool for 10 minutes, we can gently pull them apart and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thanks, and see you next time.